Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. Let's see which are the stocks to trade tomorrow. First stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is Bharti Airtel. This is weekly time frame chart. Let's draw the resistance trend line. So this resistance trend line is tested multiple times. Currently, the stock has given breakout above its resistance. If you check the price action in daily time frame, so this is daily time frame chart. We are drawing minor support and resistance level. So in tomorrow's trading session, the price can move in two directions. We have two scenarios. The price can either retest this level and it might go up. In that case, you need to wait for the market to fall till the 640 level and we can initiate a buy trade with a good candlestick confirmation. Stop loss will be below 640 and the target will be previous high, that is today's high. So the second scenario is, let me remove all of this. The second scenario is the price can break today's high, which is around 675. So in that case, you need to buy the stock immediately. Buy immediately at 675. So once after it breaks this level, it is going to shoot up like anything. So we can expect a big momentum because see, already we are in the bullish momentum, right? The stock is already in the huge bullish momentum. So in that we got an pause candle, right? This is an indecision candle. Neither the sellers or nor the buyers were currently dominating the market. So what happens? We got an pause candle. Once the price breaks today's high, it is going to shoot up. More buyers gonna come in. So buy at 675. Stop loss will be 665 and take profit should be 700. If the price breaks the 700 level, you can expect another big momentum. Okay, the next stock is Britannia Industries. You are drawing resistance trend line. The price has tested the level for the multiple times. So if you check the previous price action, see this was acting as a resistance, right? So price has given breakout of this, tested the same level and it is continuing its upward direction, right? So the stock is in the bullish trend. So in that we got an resistance trend line. Let's check the price action in 1 hour time frame. So this is daily time frame chart. We are drawing minor support and resistance level. So in tomorrow's trading session, as after the breakout of this, we got an back to back. We got an this was an indecisive candle. We got an inside candle, right? This is an inside candle. So let me clear all this. So in tomorrow's trading session, if the stock crosses today's high, it is going to move on the upward direction with the quick momentum. So in tomorrow's trading session, as the stock crosses this 4730 level, you can initiate a buy trade. So any 15 minutes candle closing above this 430 level, you can initiate a buy trade. Stop loss should be at 4000 and your first take profit should be at 4100 level, right? Enter at 4030. Stop loss will be 4000 and take profit should be at 4100. So the stop loss points will be 30 points and the take profit will be 70 points. The next stock is Cipla. Cipla, this is 1 day time frame chart. We are drawing key levels. Right. Currently, we got an engulfing candle right at the resistance. So as you can see, we have already marked this the price has tested this level multiple times. Previously it was taking as a support. Once after the breakdown, it support turned to resistance. The stock has tested the same level and it is continuing its downward direction, right? As we got engulfing candle right at the resistance, it is a good confirmation to play the stock on the sell side. Let's check the price action in 15 minutes time frame. So we are drawing minor support and resistance level. Currently this is the support level which is about to break. So I'm pretty confident that, so not 100% confident, the major probability are very high that it is going to break this level in tomorrow's trading session. So in that case, so you can sell the stock at 620 level. Your stop loss will be around this swing point which is around 628, and your first take profit should be at, sorry, it is not 628, 928. Sorry for the confusion. Your entry will be at 920 and your stop loss will be at 928, and your first take profit will be at 907. If breaches this level, 907 is broken, we can expect a target till 900. Okay. So this is the entry level, this is the stop loss level. First target will be at 907, next target will be at 900. The next stock is Godrej Consumer Product, 1 day time frame chart. We are drawing key levels. So this is the resistance trend line, here comes the support trend line. The stock was moving in this channel from couple of days. See, this is an upward channel, right? So currently it has given breakout above the upward channel. So if you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, the stock is currently respecting this support level, as you can see. So after the, so it was taking resistance at this point, at this resistance trend line. After the breakout, resistance turned to support and we got an dragonfly doji right at the support. It is a good indication that it is going to play on the buy side, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, you can buy this stock at 1110, which comes around this level above this high. Your stop loss should be at 1110 points. The safe stop loss will be at this swing point, and your take profit should be at 1140. Okay. The next stock is JSW Steel. So as you see, the stock is playing in a symmetrical triangle currently. So once this breaks, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation, you can trade this on the sell side. So your entry will be 675. Stop loss should be at this swing point, which comes around 685, and your take profit should be at, first take profit should be at 664, which comes at this previous swing point. So if this breaches, if the price breaks this level, you can initiate a you can wait for the other big momentum. So those are the stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. So if you guys like the analysis, make sure to subscribe my channel for the daily videos like this. Thank you.